Is your local drive full and your PC slowing down? In this video, I will show you the best ways to free up space on Windows 10 or 11. First, launch your settings. Now navigate to the Options System. Head over to the option Storage. Turn on Storage Sense. This automatically deletes junk files, temporary files, and recycle bin items. Next up, search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu. Select your C drive. Click all the options like Temporary Files, Thumbnails, Windows Update Cleanup. Click OK to free up gigabytes instantly. Move files to another drive. If you have a D drive or external storage, you can move big files like movies, installers, or games. For that, launch your Files Explorer, then navigate to the C drive. Select the document that you want to move. Right-click on it, select the option Properties. Click on the option Location, then click on Move and shift them to D drive. Next up, uninstall unused apps. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option Apps, click on Installed Apps. Sort by size and uninstall apps or games you no longer use. This can free up huge chunks of space. Clear temporary files manually. For that, search for Run. Now type in %temp% and press enter. Delete everything inside the folder. Do the same with temp and prefetch folders. Lastly, upload all photos and files to OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox, or back them up on an external hard drive or USB stick, and that's it. If your local drive is full, these tricks will free up a lot of space and make your PC run faster. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.